Today we are in Tabanan, in Joshua district place. This is in Tabanan, about 15 minutes from Tanah Lot, about half hour from Canggu. So this area of Bali is not for everybody. However, this place is actually very nice, very different than usual in Bali, overlooking beautiful rice fields. Unfortunately, today actually is the time where it's the harvest time, so they're gonna just start planting the rice in the future. There, over there in the background, you can see the beach actually, and some farmers working around. But today we're gonna focus on the area of Tabanan. Let me know if you ever been in Tabanan, because I know everybody are focusing on Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu. But Tabanan is actually very underrated place in my opinion in Bali. Everybody of you should at least once come and visit these places. It's beautiful. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, and first of all we're gonna have a coffee, cake, and later maybe satay, because here in Tabanan there is the best satay in Bali what I ever tried.
Weekend means visiting my family. So before we visit our family, we decide to have just a short break, just close to the area where I live, my kampung is. So yeah, we just enjoy the breeze and having a coffee break. Nice, very nice place. And this one,
It's very different place.
Very different vibe.
And there was actually many expats here actually, I could say, I don't know if I can use the word like this, but running out of Canggu, right?
Yeah, escape from Canggu,
or escaping
baby.
from the Canggu.
If they're tired of the hustle and bustle party vibe in Canggu, they just go more west into the Tabanan area, and over there is the Kedungu. Probably if you watch our previous video, we were there also, but here in the area of still close by Kedungu.
Because actually, obviously, we were vlogging here already at least 3 times in this place. But many of you are totally new on this channel, so we'd like to show a little bit also. Some of you maybe skipped these videos previously somehow, so you have one more opportunity to see this place.
So as we are here, we decide to have a stroll around this place. This is just like a coffee shop and galleries, you see, just like this. Very nice place, basically. That's the kitchen over there, so you see that how they are cooking. So this is the kitchen, and that's another boutique shop. Smile and be happy. Super cool. Overviewing the cafe. So nice concept. Okay, so this is from the outside, and yeah, we just take you to stroll around the place. Very cool concept. Green things on the top, the garden.
As you can see, there is beautiful road, actually new and wide road, and so many trucks coming in and out because there's so many construction development everywhere around. Like this beautiful villa at the front, brand new. And there is somewhere over there, there is Ciputra Estate, which is actually like a huge residential area with the nice villas, modern villas. And I still remember when I was still dating Winnie, actually a long time ago.
7 years ago, baby.
7 years ago, as was here nothing, seriously, like just rice fields and nothing. I was driving my motorbike and, exploring island to the fullest. That was the time in my life when I was driving every day and exploring every single small road. So I remember as here was nothing, but now you can find the villas and so much developments. Also behind us somewhere there will be the brand new Potato Head, which is the company what is in Seminyak, also in Singapore. Maybe you are familiar, especially if you are a Seminyak lover, you should know that everything is moving into this direction. This is funny because many years ago I predicted actually as Canggu will overgrow and moving into this side of Bali. So if you are thinking seriously about the investment in Bali, either you like this area or not, business is business, and this is probably the great opportunity for you to invest. Also at the same occasion, Winnie's family have a big piece of land actually. If you would like to make some business with us, just send us email.
Honey, you are talking like a property agent.
Yeah,
huh?
A little bit self-promotion. Opportunities are opportunities. Anyways, we're gonna explore a little bit of this area. What is the name actually on this area once again?
Kedungu area and Bengkel area.
Kenongo area.
Desa
Also,
Bengkal,
Kenongo
Kediri.
beach is very popular for the surfers. Many surfers actually who are tired of busy beaches in Canggu and they don't want to surf in Uluwatu, they coming actually here. Keep it in mind. Guys, if you're watching this video till this moment, I believe you're really enjoying. I really ask you for the small favor. It's cost you totally zero, nothing. You're not gonna get any spam emails or anything. Just like the video and write some comment. You don't know what to write, just write okay, thanks, big thumb up, whatever. That's really help us to grow this video and YouTube channel, which is very important for us. Thank you so much.
Okay, so just like this, guys. So they already put the materials and they already built the fundamental or the base for the next building for the property. So yeah, this one, what I can say, all the property buildings, I mean like all the housing, all the villas nowadays just going slowly to the west of Canggu and now in Tabanan area. Wow. And this area, if I'm not mistaken, if you see from this sign, this one belongs to the Ciputra Beach Resort. And actually, you see, the more we go, the more, you know, we see like this sign, Ciputra Beach Resort, 600 meters. And on the left, actually, Beach Glamping Resort. I think that last time we already recorded there and have a afternoon tea, yeah, honey? So
Yes.
now we just go a little bit further to the west and we will see how is the development of this area.
Actually, residential area. So many villas for rent, for sale actually. They're actually targeting mostly local market because they advertising everything in Bahasa Indonesia. So I also spoke with somebody just wanted to make a video inside. So they don't really actually speak English. So I asked Winnie, but they didn't wanted us to show us around deep inside. So we're showing only from the street. They're loose if they don't want to have a free ad. Anyways, it's actually huge. So many villas everywhere around. And like I said, few years ago, here was only rice fields and actually dirt road. I remember that. It was only dirt road here. And guys, don't take me wrong. I'm actually very familiar with this area and this company of Ciputra. Most of the houses here, what they are sold, there are many empty, but many of them they are sold actually as well. The tenants here who bought these villas, actually people from Jakarta, Surabaya, in general, Indonesian people who have money. Actually, not so many foreigners have a villa here. So this is all is actually built for the local market, for the local people, because last time when we make the video here, I'm very familiar with this one because I really texting them. I wanted to show this property nice around, but they never actually invite me to do it. They didn't. I just wanted to show you, but well, it doesn't really matter. And you might thinking as they build this for the foreigners, but it's actually no. Foreigners don't really want to live here yet. Also, this is maybe because somewhere over there on the other side there will be the main big street going to Java, to between the Gilimanuk and Tabanan. There is the huge construction, and this is big Indonesian companies building this. So this is all local investment actually.
Curious about how is the beach then, because we're showing you that this area is actually close by the beach. Well, behind me you can see that the color of the beach is the black sand beach. That area is actually the resort. It's called Beach Glamping, Bali Beach Glamping Resort, but we are not going to the resort today. We're just showing you how is the development of the Tabanan nowadays because of everything going to the west. And yeah, I saw that also there somebody having a wedding soon. And sunset, I think it's not beautiful sunset for today, but yes, the beach situation is just like this, black sand beach. And this is how actually some locals also going to the beach, how it is whenever you are thinking to invest in the area of the Tabanan. So it's not white sand beach but the black sand beach.
So basically this beach and this area is same or very similar to Canggu like 15-20 years ago. And 15-20 years ago actually in Canggu was similar like this one, was not so attractive but somehow succeed a lot. And just simply Canggu gonna become overcrowded, the same like Kuta ages ago, and everybody gonna move here. Keep it in mind, remember my words, if you're gonna come to Bali in 20, 30 years, this area gonna look totally different. Also behind me, guys, this is not any kind of endorsement or something, but this is one of the 10 bedroom villas. Somebody already find this area as will be potential in the future, got the land for very affordable price and built huge villa. And seems like actually they is operating, didn't went into bankruptcy, and is somebody actually inside. So definitely this area have a potential for investment. Have you ever tried the local satay? I mean satay in Bali from local seller on the street somewhere. They like, you know, selling this on the middle of the street. You should try it. It's very nice actually. But you have to be careful. But overall, it's very nice. This is the best satay, babi, which is the pork satay in full entire Bali Island. That's my special order without the spicy sambal and without the skin. And this is Winnie with a lot of spicy sambal mixed with the skin actually.
So good.
So good, yeah? Our favorite one. And this is like on the middle of the street, as I said. That's the drinks options. And this is how they are cooking it. Actually, people like, you know, driving, taking it, come out, take away or sit. And this is the satay over there. Also with drink, what usually they selling in the warungs like this one, tech bottle. Once I make on Insta story, many of you didn't know that about this stuff. So let me know in the comment section if you ever tried this one. And with satay.
If you ask us how much it is per portion, only 15K.
$1.